There's one. There it is. There's a couple of them. So I'll get you started in a minute. Then we'll talk about it.
Nervous.
Hi everybody. Good evening. It is evening time, and I am here with our granddaughter Juliet, who is doing what?
Quilting.
She's learning to quilt. And why did you want to learn to quilt, and what is this, and who is it for?
I want to learn how to quilt because I want to make a blanket for my Aunt Allie.
A what?
A quilt.
A quilt. We don't call them blankets here.
Sorry.
A quilt for Aunt Allie.
Because she's having a baby.
Yes. So, Juliet was really generous, and she purchased the backing for this quilt, or the front of this quilt, whichever that you want to say, out of Minky. And as you guys know, Minky is a really super soft fabric. Makes a beautiful quilt, especially this baby quilt. But it's a fairly decent baby quilt. And also, Juliet wanted a ruffle on the quilt. Now I did help her with the ruffle because you wanted like this silky satin. And as you guys, I've done tutorials on making ruffles, and this is a really nice full ruffle. But what we've done is Jules had the other day actually came and was trying on my Jukies. We had some problems with my Jukies, but they're working fine. But we're working on our baby lock. Jules actually started sewing the squares together. What do I say when we start from beginning? You start sewing squares together. That's why when people want to learn how to quilt, I'm like, just sew a bunch of squares together. It's easy. It was easy, right?
Yeah.
1/4 inch seam. But then we pin basted it. We just turned it sort of right sides together, turned it out. I did the ruffle, but we're actually quilting it, and I'm gonna, when I'm done this, I'm gonna take some still pictures of how we're actually quilting it. It's just 5-inch squares sewn together, and we had gotten this fabric. It's a flannel, really pretty flannel, and it was from it's from Maywood Studios, called Little Lammies, 42 5-inch squares. And this was by Bonnie Sullivan. We used 2 packs. That's it. We had 4 left over. They're on the floor actually, I saw, because the quilt is 8 blocks across and 10 rows down, and it made a fairly decent size, made a nice size quilt. So I'm going to get Juliet started on this line here that we're going to quilt, because it's a little bit thick at the top. So we'll come back after I just get her started, and where you place your hands and everything. Okay, so just scoot across. Straight down, okay? But as I was telling you before, the fabric is stretching a little bit. I don't use a walking foot. These people will know that I don't use a walking foot. So you're going to, because it's a sort of heavy, sit closer, because you want to hold the quilt on your lap like so. You want to not have it pulling on that needle. So you're always just wanting to have your hands quite firmly, and all you're doing is concentrating on the needle going this way when you hit your presser foot.
So go?
Mm-hmm. Now you're holding too firmly. But as you sit, like perfect. Now just stop for a sec. I just explained the needles down. That's how you want it. And just all the while, like you want to keep it keep it on your lap, but nice and loose, but then this is sort of tight. Do you see?
Yeah.
But you want the little teeth underneath, which are called the feed dogs, to actually pull the fabric along. So you don't want to hold it too hard. You don't want to hold it too soft.
Okay.
Okay? So.
Like this?
Yep. And you're sort of stretching the fabric apart and, you know, making it nice and... Now you're holding it too tight. That's it. So you see how you can guide that? And go a little bit slower. Don't do it so fast. Do a little. You have to listen to the machine and your hands, and then it's all a matter of like guiding the fabric, but not holding it too tight. But you got it. Yeah, exactly. It's not like the other one, is it? It's going nice. Now push it along. That's it. You're letting the machine do the work. Obviously keeping your hands out of the way. I was saying to Juliet when she first came in, the minky is what?
Soft.
Is soft and thick, and what fiber is it?
Polyester.
A polyester brand thing. And what is the flannel?
Cotton.
Cotton. So cotton stretches. I always say this, cotton stretches a little bit, but then it shrinks. So it's stretching sort of here. You have to do another line there. You see that? There's one. It's because that will make the quilty thing. It's stretching, but then when it goes to be washed, it'll shrink into the stitches. So it'll look better when it's washed and stuff, or wet. So again, you want to just keep this all sort of loose around the needle, but firm where you're stitching. But let the machine do the job. Doing a really good job. Doing a good job. This part is really thick because of the ruffle, the binding, the ruffle in the edge, like the triple ruffle, and then the flannel. So you can hear. It's thick, and we don't want to do it too fast and break a needle. Although I have to say, in my review of my new baby lock machine here, because I was doing a review on it, it's supposed to be like a heavier dutier machine, and it's really very good. It's super. So we have 2 more rows to do. I'll start on this. Oh no, that one's done. That one's done. There's just one here, right? We haven't done that one. So we have one more. Right here.
I love it.
It's so pretty. It's pretty good. All the squares.
Nope, no more.
No more. Aw, thank you so much for coming and sewing with me.
Yeah.
So do you think you'd like sewing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah.
It's a little stressful, but it's fun.
It's a little stressful. Well, so what would you, if you wanted to get a machine, what would you like to make? Like, if you wanted to really learn how to sew, like clothes, like skirts, or
No clothes.
No clothes.
I don't think I could do clothes.
Right.
But I think I could do I could do a quilt.
Would you like to do a quilt?
Yeah.
Oh! That's a sweetheart. So yeah, so let me take a picture of you. Stand up over there. Let me get the video of you. Here you go. Let me just pull this around here. Let me just, I don't want to be in it. So there, hold up. There is Juliet with her beautiful quilt. Do the back end, do the back of it. Love the minky. I love the minky. Oh, it's so pretty, Jules.
I love it.
So pretty, yeah. It's really. So I'm not going to put this video up until it's gifted to Allie and everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, because you want it to be a surprise. Thanks, Jules.
Bye.
Hi, see ya. Thank you.